Hello graphic 45ers, Charee here, and we are here to welcome in spring with our Spring is in the Air album kit. In this video, I'm going to walk you through page by page of this gorgeous folio, and then I will show you what makes this album kit so special. Of course, I'll share some tips and tricks along the way, so let's hop right in. Blossom by blossom, spring begins. So this begins with an adorable album cover, and you may have noticed something extra special about this folio. Yes, this time around, the exclusive product that we get to use are these amazing 12 by 12 pink glitter chipboard sheets. So you can see Maria Cole, who has decorated this album for us, has utilized those sheets in the most darling ways. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. And here we go. We're already diving into some gorgeous fun. So we have some great simple designs, and Maria's really letting the embellishments you get in the kit do a lot of the heavy lifting. So you can see we've got stickers here and here, and some great spots already for photos. This sparkly, fun photo mat. I love the use of the sticker here as a pull tab, and if you turn it over, you'll see there is a coordinating sticker on the reverse side. So a great tip right from the go is when you're using those sticker sheets, find matching sticker sizes to create pull tabs. That's just going to slide right into our cut apart pocket. So another great and easy way to create a pocket. It already has the layering, the decorating. So just cut out that cut apart sheet, adhere it in a U shape, and voila. Got some gorgeous sticker decorations up here as well. And this is going to open to unveil. We have another pocket page on the other side. So having symmetrical designs like this really brings the design together, making it look so classy and chic, but it's also so simple. So here we have a chipboard at top. You can add photo here and of course on the back. Spring is in the air. I know it has started to blossom around here in Portland, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Loving all those daffodils. So we've got our full-sized pocket page here. If you are new to Graphic 45's folios, you get the cover, and then the pieces come in a separate little bag like this, and you can pick and choose how you want to use your pieces and what pieces to use. You get so much in there that we don't always use all the pieces because just grabbing a selection is still going to make a super full and impactful album. So we've got one full size page here. There is still another one in that kit, or one over here. You can see our mimic designs, making it super simple. And then in there, we're going to have this gatefold photo mat. And let me just pull this one out here. So how easy is that? Just create two of those photo mats, create these pocket pages, and then embellish with chipboard and stickers. We especially love these frames. You could just adhere in a L shape here, so you could slide in your photo behind there and have a little frame, or you could just put it in a U shape, put one photo here and another there. This is going to flip over. I'm going to flip over my other one over here so you can see that those are mimicking each other. With another full-size photo mat, we've got sentiment stickers here, smile and hopping by to say hello. Some cute little chipboard to add some dimension. And then here we've got this half page. We love this cute little page. And in that pocket we have great little easy cut apart where you can add your sentiments. We love these pockets because you could also fill them up with memorabilia and photos, of course. And then in the center, we've got our waterfall. So this is already created, this waterfall piece. We just have to cut your papers and adhere them on. We have a great frame right up front. Of course, you could put this cut apart in there. Spring is when you can put your foot on 3 daisies, but that would also be a great spot for a photo. So let us know, what kind of photos are you going to be filling up your album with? Easter photos, Tulip Fest photos, spring, birthday, Mother's Day, garden. So cute and easy. And did you see that there are spots here and here for photos? Here and here. So you can really store a lot of images in there. So there you have it. We have our delightful, glittery, interactive folio album. Let me show you everything you're going to get in the Spring is in the Air album kit. You're going to get everything you need to create that folio or any other project you could dream of. All you need to do is add adhesive. Let me show you the interactive folio album with the interchangeable pages. So you get this blank, fabulous magnetic folio cover. It's a trifold design, so there's a lot of space for all your different elements here. And then you're going to get a bag full of interchangeable pieces. Of course, you can use them with the project sheet just like we have, or you can create your own project. You're going to see there's so many options. You get 2 half-size pockets, 2 already made waterfalls, 2 full-page pockets, and an interactive wallet folio. So you're going to see in our folio design that we don't use all of these pieces. Of course, you can save them to use in other projects, or you could cut up the pieces to use as photo mats or other fun things in your folio. Chipboard tags and frames. In here you get 31 dimensional pieces. The project sheet. Project sheet has step-by-step directions on how to create it in the most simple ways with great colored photos. This one has been created for us by Maria Cole. 2 6x12 sticker sheets. You can see on this side they are die cut and perfect for this collection. And on this side we have some of our standard favorites like the scalloped border, stamps, pull tabs, banners. 12x12 collection pack, the zip top bag to store everything in, and the kit exclusive, these fabulous and fun 12x12 glitter cardstock sheets. Order this kit today on our website at g45papers.com or head on down to your local G45 retailer to pick up this fun and fabulous album kit. You can also pick up our card kit while you're there or become a subscriber to one or both of these kits. It's easy and it's a fun way to make sure that you never miss a kit. You'll get them sent directly to you in the mail every month. You'll get new products to play with and project sheets to create with. So it makes creating easy breezy. Thank you for joining us for this video. If you're looking for a great tutorial, be sure to hop over to our Spring is in the Air desktop pop-up card tutorial where you can learn how to create this fun card with me. If you're looking for more great videos like this one, subscribe to our YouTube channel and then hit that notification bell so you know whenever we upload a new video. Be sure to comment below. Every comment, of course, we read and love to see your thoughts. So let us know what you think of these new projects, and as always, happy paper crafting.